Right, we're going to a birthday party, and it's Mel's
provided spaghetti for her, for my cousin daughter.
Yeah, her cousin's daughter, and she's making all the spaghetti, and we provided a couple of bags, didn't we, as well? And she's made the sauce.
Yeah, but it's very nice.
Are you sure?
Yes, that's what I know. That's why.
Yeah, she's not a bad cook, Mel, now you know.
Yeah, because when I was a single, I don't know how to cook, but now I know.
So we've helped them out because you'll remember the family. We helped them get water connected because they had no water. They kept having to carry big tubs of water from quite a way, wasn't it, from the house? Hello?
Yeah. I thought you're talking to our subscribers.
Oh, yeah, I'm talking to you as well.
Yeah.
So we're going over.
With Joy.
Yeah, with Joy and.
Joy is inside the house.
Is
They help me to cook.
Kim going?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
I don't know
Joy and
if Annie's
Kim's going.
there. I will invite Annie to come.
But what if there's not enough food?
It's alright. I will not cook. I will not eat. I just let them to eat.
So is this the end result?
The pictures come out 50-50
Yum, yum.
and that would
Yummy.
be more quote unquote fair. So, you know, you might agree with that,
Let's
you might
hope
not agree
so.
with that, but you know, I think it's just important to be transparent that
Finished
that
product.
there's an attempt to not reflect reality.
Right, everybody's getting ready for the Peña Francia. So the painting and the painting and getting the place looking a bit better. Done a good job as well, actually. I was a bit surprised at the purple colour, but then when they've done the brown round, it doesn't look too bad, actually. So this is my friend, it's Mel's cousin. So anyway, we're going to a birthday party. And before we get started, I want to give a shout out for Mel's sister.
Yes. Guys, can you support my sister channel? Her channel is Melanie Opener. I will put the link below.
Yeah, we'll put the link to her channel below in the description.
She's starting vlog now, guys.
Yeah, she's just started a new channel, and it'd be really great if you could support her.
Like what?
I give her some advice and told her she's been doing videos, but because she doesn't think her English is that good, she's not been speaking English. But she started speaking English. Yeah, but she's.
And then the reason why she don't want to speak English because you know the Filipino. I mean that not all because some of Filipino they gonna bullying like don't speak English if you can able to not speak.
Oh, you don't really
good,
take any notes of that, do you?
Sentence like that. So.
Yeah. But if she doesn't speak English, then there's not many English speaking.
My brother's mom.
Hello. There's not.
Sorry pa, be.
Bago mauli man lang tungon yan.
Yeah. She's not going to get Westerners visit a channel if she's not speaking English.
Yeah, that's what I felt.
Yeah, she's just started a channel.
Yeah.
She's really new to it. Things is going to get better, guys. Please go over and give support.
Like what we support to us.
Yeah. Even if you don't go back and watch it, just subscribe to her channel and help get her subscribers up.
And there's one more box. I forgot, but this one's not really interesting. No, my husband, he's really. My husband is doing squash. So every Thursday, after work, he always go to the squash.
So she can start monetizing her videos. Yeah, she's in Holland.
She's she's live in Netherlands with her husband and her son.
Yeah.
In Netherlands. It's nice there in Netherlands.
Right, now what I wanted to talk to you about is Andreas, who owns the shop. He's had to go back to sea. He goes to sea for 3 months, comes back for 3 months, goes back for 3 months. Now, the plan was to let his wife run the shop, but they've got a little child and she's finding it hard to run the shop, so they're selling it, guys. So
Ada always follow.
I know. If anybody's interested, it's up for sale, and I believe the price is 230,000 pesos if you're interested in taking it over. What are you laughing at? So it's doing really well. It's really good, and it's a shame that they've got to pass it on, to be honest.
There's three carnival here in Naga. Because fiesta.
Yeah.
Coming.
The fiesta. Sorry, babe.
One is in SM. There's a carnival as well in SM. One is in NCC. Second, and then the third one is in Central.
Yeah.
Let's go later.
The
Carnival.
carnival is like, the carnival. The fiesta starts, I believe, on the 7th of September.
Yeah.
It starts on the
First week
7th.
of September.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm very excited.
Yeah, so get yourselves over here, guys. Get hotel booked for a few days. You'll really have a good time, because it's incredibly good, isn't it? It's well organised, really good.
What is your reaction about? Do you remember that I show to you one of the story in YouTube, the foreigner?
Oh
Do you
yeah.
remember that? Married to no,
No, I don't think he was married though, was he?
the other one.
The other one was, yeah.
What is your reaction about that?
Yeah, it's same old story.
Married a Filipina.
Yeah, they come over, they're married too quick before they get to know them, and it turns out it's all about money.
Yeah.
And
then,
she ripped
the
him off
parents,
big
the
style.
parents like pursuing to marry to him.
Yeah. She left him. She left him after they got married straight away, didn't they?
Yeah.
They'd only just got married. He went to the bathroom. He come out and she'd gone.
It's a Rafi Tolfo action, guys. Then there's another complainant, a foreigner. Do you remember? I think I don't know. I think Swedish.
Yeah. Well,
That
you
I
know,
know.
I was talking to Bernie, and old Bernie, and he says there's an incredible amount of foreigners get ripped off. Yeah. So you got to be so careful.
You remember? I saw to you another foreigner complain that when he come to the Philippines and then he meet the Filipina, he thought it's a single, not married.
Oh
Remember that?
Yeah. That one. She was married,
Yeah, and then they have a kids.
and she said she had no kids. She had two
Yeah,
kids,
yeah.
and her husband was encouraging her to go with this foreigner to get money.
Yeah,
But he got quite a bit of his money back, didn't he?
yeah. They go to the barangay to sort it out, and then
Yeah,
to bring
'cause
it
that
back
was a straightforward
pay it
scam,
back
that.
the money that the foreigner sent to them.
Yeah.
guys,
It just looks
careful.
it just looks bad on the Philippine people, you know, the good ones, when stuff like that happens. But it happens a lot. But again, keep saying there's got a lot of good luck stories, isn't they?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.